Prepare to witness one of the most awe-inspiring events in the universe. Galactic collisions, where the very fabric of galaxies is reshaped, and the birth of stars is influenced. As two galaxies approach each other, drawn in by their gravitational attraction, a cosmic dance begins, ultimately leading to their merger and the formation of one grand galaxy. This captivating journey starts with galaxies, slowly drifting through space. Always in motion, they come in and out of the gravitational influence of neighboring galaxies. But when two galaxies come close enough, their gravitational forces interact. As they draw near, the immense gravitational pull creates tidal forces that stretch and distort their shapes. Like interstellar taffy, in the midst of this galactic encounter, there is no crash as we imagine it. Instead, the galaxies pass through each other, allowing their gas, dust, and stars to mingle and interact. This cosmic passage ignites a firework display of star formation as the gas clouds within each galaxy become compressed. This phenomena, known as starburst activity, triggers the birth of thousands of new stars in a remarkably short span of time. Over time, the merging process takes hold. The initial encounters can last millions of years, before eventually both galaxies merge into one. The resulting galaxy takes on a whole new appearance, often adopting an elliptical or irregular structure. As the gravitational forces work their magic to stabilize this newly formed mass, the merged galaxy becomes much larger and more massive than either of its predecessors. One of the most famous examples of a galactic collision is the impending merger of our Milky Way with the Andromeda galaxy, scheduled to occur in about 4.5 billion years. Despite sounding alarming, the immense distances between stars mean that direct star collisions are unlikely. Instead, this merger promises to reshape both galaxies, kickstarting new star formation and birthing a brand new galaxy named Andromeda. Galactic collisions serve as pivotal events in the universe's evolution. They distribute the heavy elements forged within stars, setting the stage for the birth of future generations of stars and planets. Furthermore, studying these breathtaking encounters provides astronomers with glimpses into the mysteries of dark matter and the vast structure of the universe. In conclusion, galactic collisions are a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. They embody not just destruction, but also creation, unveiling the intricate dance of gravity and the ongoing evolution of galaxies. As we continue to explore these cosmic phenomena, we deepen our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Brace yourself for a cosmic spectacle that illuminates the wonders of the universe.